So reference-based and de novo genome assembly tutorials here. It involves two distinct methods, but that is de novo reconstructs a genome from scratch, while reference-based uses an existing genome as a guide. So whether you are performing de novo genome assembly or reference-based, your first task is to go for quality check. So here you can clearly see the easiest difference between the de novo and reference-based sequencing are, in case of de novo, you don't know the exact whole genome of the organism. But in case of reference-based assembly, the reference genomes are easily available. For example, the ensemble biomart database, that is de novo, and where you have reference genome, that is reference-based genome assembly.